Right, so I just thought I'd do a little video because I went down to the chicken coop this morning and just basically got one of the biggest eggs that I've ever had from any of my chickens. It's absolutely massive, so the plan is to crack it open. I'm going to make myself a little egg sandwich and I'll weigh it as well, and we can see, we can check my weight and see what's inside it. Right, so I've got a normal egg here that you buy in the shop with a stamp on, so just for comparison, it's about 61 grams, and one of the normal eggs from the chickens, which is still quite a decent size, so let's have a look at that. That's 80 grams. And now for the big one. 117 grams. So that's pretty big. So I'm going to crack this open now and see what's inside. Stop it. Right, so I've got the egg here. I'm going to crack it open, see what's inside, and then I'm going to make myself a nice sandwich.
Ah!
Yes, it's a
Little double
nice
yolk.
double yolk there. It's a big one.
Happy with that?
Happy with that, yeah. Could get a nice omelette out there.